Okay, now we'll prove this that utility is ordinal. Okay, now given the assumptions of rationality, that is your reflexivity, completeness, transitivity, well, it is actually possible to show that individuals are able to rank, okay, in certain order all possible preferences, okay, from the most desirable to the least or least desirable to the most. And all of us economists, we call this ranking as utility. Okay, now the more desirable a preference is, you give a higher utility to that preference. Okay, and the less desirable the preference is, you give a lesser utility to that preference. Okay, so in case if there are two situations x and y, and x is preferred to y, then you would say this that utility through x is greater than the utility through y, right? Now the point is that utility is not cardinal, in the sense that suppose if there are two situations x and y, and you say this that x is preferred to y, fine, and you give some number to the utility through x as, say, for example 7, and the utility through y as, say, for example 3. Okay, so 7 is greater than 3, that's fine. Okay, but supposedly other day the same individual, he gives the utility 8 to a preference x and utility 4 to a preference y. So do you think his preferences have changed? No. Okay, it doesn't matter, fine. It doesn't matter to ask a question that how much is A more preferred to B. Okay, that how much is not measurable, you can't say. Even if you put up any number, say 1 lakh to a utility through x and just 50,000 to utility through y, everything remains same. Okay, so what you have to understand is that notion of utility is defined only up to an order preserving transformation. Okay, so it would just mean one thing, that if there is a number which is giving a higher utility to a higher preference and a lower number to a lower utility to a lower preference, it doesn't matter what numbers are, fine. Hence we say it is that utility are ordinal. Okay, all utility rankings are ordinal. Okay, so it doesn't matter what number you give to these utilities, unless if they are showing the similar preference relation which you want to show. Okay, so utility rankings are therefore the ordinal rankings. Clear? So this is there. Thanks.